Everyone, welcome back for another video. So the first thing I saw was Sheabassador 2019. Congratulations and welcome to the class of 2019. And this is just basically the expectations they have for us is a booklet of the 5 products that I received. I'm gonna start with this one first. And this is actually, I already use this. So this is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. It's Jamaican black castor oil one, by the way. It's with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is good for if you have dandruff. It really helps to remove product buildup. So I can tell you right off the bat, I already like this because I already tried this. Next one is, which I've never tried this line at all, is the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner. And you guys can see that. What I like though, so I didn't say, they'll tell you exactly what it's for, and I believe they were doing that before. So just to go back quickly to this, shampoo is for naturally chemically processed or heat styled hair. So this conditioner is actually for all hair types. See, it tells you coconut milk, akaya, I think that's how you say it, Senegal, which locks in moisture to support hair elasticity. And they said that their tip is an alternative to shampoo, and you can use it basically as a co-wash, but I don't co-wash my hair, so I'll be using it as a conditioner. The next one is the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair shampoo. So this is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see that. And this is for extremely dry and brittle hair. Manuka honey has yogurt extract, and I believe you pronounce it Mafora oil. And this oil softens and promotes healthy looking hair. So I can't wait to try this. I think I'm definitely going to try these 2 first. This is the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner with silk protein and neem oil, and this is for thick curly hair. That's what they wrote on there. So I have tried the coconut and hibiscus line before. Tried their styling milk, but this is the conditioner, so can't wait to see how that works on my hair. It has coconut oil, it has silk protein and neem oil, and the benefit of neem oil is that it controls frizz while adding brilliant shine. So yep. And then I got the sugarcane extract and metal foam seed silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment with marshmallow root, and this is also for all hair types. And this is what it looks like. This is just the packaging. I really love the new labeling, so I'm glad they changed it. I mean, there was nothing wrong, I feel like, with the old one, but I like it. It is definitely more detailed, so that's what I like about it. And this is a leave-in treatment, so I can't wait to try this out. This is one of their newer lines, so I'm excited to try this as well. And last but not least, they gave me this brush. Basically, these are the brushes like if you blow dry your hair. I mean, I blow dry my hair, but not every day. But I'm definitely going to be using this. And what's cute is that it says, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Shea Moisture right there in the little heart. To let you guys know that all their products are at Walmart. But again, you will be getting videos of me using these products, so stay tuned for that. And make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.